welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today's video is super exciting, at least for me it is super exciting because I'm finally able to sit down and unbox one of my dream bags. I've been thinking about owning a Chanel bag for like ages, I think since I was 10. So to be able to be sitting today and actually recording this video and unboxing one of my dream brands to own, I can't believe it. I bought this bag pre-loved from a Facebook group that I'm in, and she told me that she only used this bag once. I was like messaging her and we're talking, and then I was kind of like asking her like, will you ever sell it? Like, I was just kind of like throwing out there. I wasn't really sure if she's gonna say yes to it. So the next day she messaged me super early in the morning. She was just like, yeah, you know what, I'm ready to let it go. Fast forward to today, I finally have the box. I picked this up at the Canada Post, and as you can see, it's still in the box. I haven't opened it, so it's gonna be like a true unboxing. And I also have a pair of scissors. We're gonna open it now because I can't wait. Oh my god, she really packaged this like really well, which is a good thing. I mean, it's a really expensive bag. Okay, finally that was open. I'm so excited. So she actually gave me the bag and has that classic iconic Chanel flower. I'm not really sure how to call that, but oh my god, it has the ribbon and everything. So really impressed so far. Only girls can understand how exciting this is, and even like a shopping bag. Like, imagine like putting this in your closet and just like, you know, I think that would be really cute. But set that aside. So I'm gonna take it out of this bag because it's not so glamorous. Oh my god, you guys! My god, even the box is so pretty. I can't believe it. Like, my heart is beating so fast. Like, I've been dreaming about this bag. The box is kind of small. It's actually, I don't know, you're just gonna see it. So now we're gonna open it. It's kind of hard with just one hand, so you know what? So excited. I'm gonna set this aside. This feels so nice, you guys. You know, like when a material is just like good quality, it's that kind of material. You guys probably can guess from the size of it of what kind of bag it is. So as you can see, it comes with a dust bag and it just opens like this. And you can already see the color. Kind of like matches my red lip. That's the reason I actually put red lipstick on. So let's just take out this baby out. Oh my god. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, you guys. Oh my god. I love it. I'm just gonna take a look, okay? Wow. Oh my god, it still smells brand new. Oh wow. Okay, I am done kind of like admiring it. Welcome to my new baby. This is the Chanel Walk on the red color, and it has like a gold hardware on it. It's very like faint gold actually. I thought it was gonna be a lot more like vibrant. I'm not gonna go through all the details of the size of the bag and how much it weighs and stuff, because I mean, I could not be bothered, and I think every time they mention it's kind of boring. Just open this baby up. This is a new issue of the bag, so instead of the buttons, it's actually like a magnetic closure. Oh wow. I mean, I own the Pochette Felicie from Louis Vuitton, and that one is a button, so it's kind of like, it's not really a big deal for me, but you kind of have to really focus on like where you're gonna put the button. But this one is just like, it just slides right in. It's really nice. It says Chanel on the button, and this one doesn't have it, but you can see the logo here. It says Chanel. And then this is a new zipper that comes with, because based on my research before, they said that this bag actually has a problem of indentation over here, and it still does it honestly, but it doesn't bother me because this bag is made of the caviar leather. So there's different kinds of leather from Chanel. This one's a caviar leather, and it's known to be very durable, so I'm not really worried about that part, and it's only like a tiny little portion of the bag. And yeah, I really love it. So The bag comes with a pocket at the back. I'm really excited about this one. If the wallet and chain doesn't come with this pocket at the back, I don't think I'll ever buy it, just because I feel like that's like one thing that Chanel stands out for, is having that little Mona Lisa smile pocket at the back. I think this bag is going to be perfect if you go to Europe because it's very compact. It has like a compartment over here. Let's just take out this paper. I love that it still has this. So there's a compartment there. There's also a zipper here, which glides very, very nicely. But this zipper, if you guys don't know, actually goes all the way down. So I think that'll be perfect when you go traveling, especially when you go to Europe and some places. They're very known for pickpocketers. So if you guys are like me, every time I travel, I always carry cash with me. I pretty much use cash, honestly. And it's nice to be able to fit it down there. At least that way you know that it's safe and no one can see it, especially if you have like larger bills. It also includes the tags that the bag originally came with. So this is in the gold metal. So basically on the tag that the bag came with, so this one actually shows the authentication number of the bag. So if you open your receipt, you can actually see that one. So she didn't send me the receipt just because she also purchased another item on the same day, but she sent it to me and I can print that out as well, just for reference. So every time I travel, like I can always bring it with me, because I've heard some horror stories wherein like people had to pay taxes on their bag just because they forgot to bring the receipt with them. So the front pocket of the bag actually has your serial code, and that one should match obviously your authentication card and also that one over here. So you guys, when you purchase something pre-loved, those are the little things that you look for. There's also a zipper pocket here as well, which is just lined with, it's like fabric. And then here's the authentication card as well. So I'm actually gonna put that all the way down here, at least that way it's not gonna go anywhere, and I know that it's always gonna be with me, but I'm gonna put it there for now. And then behind this zipper pocket, there is actually another compartment here that is made of leather, but inside the lining is just like a fabric lining. And then I don't know if you guys can see from here, but it has the made in Italy. So based on my research too, a lot of people mentioned that the made in France actually has more of a flat like look to it. It's not as puffy as made in Italy. I really wanted to make sure that I got the made in Italy because I kind of want like a puffy looking bag from Chanel, because I feel like Chanel's known for that. This one comes with 6 credit card slots and there's no other pockets there, but you also have this whole compartment here, which honestly I thought it was going to be smaller, but it's very generous. And then here comes the beautiful chain. Honestly, I'm 5'7" and I feel like this is perfect height. And I love that the gold is very subtle and it has still like a really good shine to it. It's not like a cheap shine, if you know what I mean. Like, you know, like when you buy leggings and it's so shiny, like, yeah, not for me. I think those ones kind of look really tacky, but this one is just perfect. Has a perfect amount of shine to it. So my pochette Felicie is a silver hardware, so I'm kind of glad that I have gold because I do like to mix and match metals. As mentioned, it comes with a base shaper, so you do have to purchase this separately, but in my case, because this is pre-loved and she already bought one for herself, she just kind of included it. And I like that because it really protects the shape of the bag. So this one is known for like kind of like digging in over here. So as you can see, the sides are still very mint condition. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I just can't stop staring at it. I just can't believe I have it. And as you can see, the chain is actually not detachable, but it glides very smoothly. But there's a lot of ways to actually wear this bag. I always like smaller purses anyways because I like to be compact every time I use the bag. Like I don't need to bring my whole life with me. If you guys are wondering how much I paid for this bag, so this bag retails for $3,000 Canadian as of the moment. And then including tax, let's just say we go through the highest, like 15%, $3,450 for the Chanel bag at this moment. It's a very expensive bag. Like, I'm very privileged and blessed to be able to own one. It's definitely not something that I would be purchasing every single year, but I'm glad that I have this. As mentioned earlier, that I actually got this pre-loved and I paid $2,500. So $2,500 for this baby right here, for pretty much brand new, including shipping and including the base shaper as well, and everything that includes like the shopping bag, the box, and everything. So I got the whole thing pretty much $1,000 cheaper. So I'm very impressed. Like, I can't believe that I got this for such a saving, such a steal, because they go for so much more. A lot of these bags, especially in this kind of condition, pretty much sells retail. Like, you barely get any savings for this one because it's so sought after in the market. And every time like I see one on the pre-love market, it always like sells like this, like instantly. Like, for me to be able to snag this, I think I just like shopped for it at the right time, and she didn't really have a need for it anymore. So I feel like I just scored like a lot of savings on it. I'm so excited to be able to incorporate this in my wardrobe and like do different looks with it. I feel like it's so versatile that I can use this in pretty much like an all black outfit, which is pretty much what I'm wearing right now, and which is what I'm wearing constantly. Like, I only really wear black. The only thing that I am scared to actually do color transfer in this one. I heard it's pretty common to get one, but I'm just gonna like, you know, be careful. And I've honestly seen a lot of people that have a red bag, and a lot of them said they don't get any color transfer on it. So I'm just gonna be mindful of where I'm gonna use this and what kind of clothes I'm wearing with it. I don't wear jeans really, so I feel like that's not really an issue of color transfer, because if you wear jeans, it's like the number one reason that color transfer happens in your Chanel bag. I'm just really happy I finally got this, and just can't believe it. Like, you know, when you've been dreaming about something for such a long time, and to be able to hold it in your hand, like, I'm just like so excited. Yeah, I just want to test something out. Like, I'm clearly using my phone to record this video, but I'm gonna borrow my husband's phone, and then it's pretty much the same size as like I have an iPhone XR, and see if it actually fits. I have my husband's phone here. I mean, this is obviously smaller. Yeah, it actually fits, so that's good to know. You obviously don't have a lot of space, but I'm so used to like small bags. I'm actually going to be doing a comparison video of these two. So yeah, like, I mean, they're pretty much the same size. Really happy I finally got it. I'm going to do some mod shots as well, and so you guys can see how it looks on me. I'm 5'7", so this is how it looks crossbody on me. Obviously, you can also wear this bag shoulder like this, but I never really wear my bags like that. I feel like it could be also cute. It's actually comfortable, and it feels like it really stays in your arm. I think it's because not just like it's not just a chain, it also has a leather, so I feel like it has a really good weight to it, and it kind of sticks to your body. So you have a little like chain detail right there. I feel like this could be really cute too. So you can hold it like handheld like this. I think that'd be really cute for like a date night. You can obviously hold it like this as well. And this is probably most likely how I'm gonna wear this. You can also hold it like this if you want to. You can hold it like this as well. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel, and also click that little button right beside it so you get reminded every time I upload a video. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. I hope you guys are staying safe. Until next time, till we meet again, this is Chloe signing out. Bye guys.